Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love. Welcome to Keenan Life in Jamaica. You know, hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are. Yes, guys, so today, you know, we have another two guests, you know, another two familiar faces, you know, that you guys already know. You know, you guys already know, already. You know, we have Jamaican uncle, and we have also Trenchtown grandpa. You know, Trenchtown grandpa we met the last time there when we was in Orlando. You know, we met while I was there. You know, and yes, so finally they're in Jamaica. You know, so they decided to come visit us here in Trenchtown because they also want to see Cranberry. So we're gonna take them up by Miami Riverside, you know, to also meet Cranberry family, you know. And they want to get them some KFC and then good stuff as well too for the kids up there as well. So that's going to be the mission today as well too, you know, to see the Cranberry family, you know. So welcome Jamaican uncle and Trenchtown grandpa here in Jamaica, you know. So they're here, you know, Trenchtown grandpa, who said also from Trenchtown as well too. That was way back in the days, you know, before even born, you know, if that's the case. Yeah, so we're gonna see, you know, what's going on there. So they're already there, you know, they arrive, and I'm on my way there, you know, so I'm not far away, you know, from down there now. So yes, guys, so I want to give thanks. I met a lot of subscribers, you know, while on the road as well too. So Esther is not on the road with us today because Esther got a trip with her school as well too. You know, they gone on a work trip, you know, somewhere in the countryside. Yeah, so Esther is not around today, you know, so Esther gone on a mini vacation. Go on, Esther. Yes, guys, she's on a mini vacation. So boy, I'm gonna need my mini one very soon too. You know, a long time I'm gonna jump on a resort and all something. So I need to start traveling again, guys. You know, that's one thing I need to start doing. I need to start traveling to other countries. And also, you know, Wow Chef finally, you know, got his passport as well too. So Wow Chef got his passport finally, and also boom, you know, got also his passport. You know, and also, you know, promise, you know, by Max, you know, Max from the US. Also the promise whenever I'm going to a Caribbean, you know, and everyone that voted for Wow Chef said they will sponsor one of the members them, you know, to go on that trip. So everyone that voted for Wow Chef and say yeah, we want to take Wow Chef. And then now, you know, some people say, oh, Boom should have been as well too, but so I'm gonna make sure say I'm taking Boom as well too. So Boom will be my responsibility. I will sponsor Boom, you know, for this trip as well too, because you know, Boom is a man always around. So whenever I'm gonna travel to the Caribbean, I'm gonna choose one of these Caribbeans to go to. Is either Panama. You tell me which Caribbean should we attend to, you know. So I would definitely sponsor Boom for that trip, you know, because Boom is a man, he's always there, no matter what the case, he's always there. So you can just tell me, guys, which Caribbean you think, you know, we should travel to whenever I'm going to go to our Caribbean, which is within a season that's, yes, we can go there. So yeah man, so we give thanks to our love as well, to our love for making it possible for the wow chef, you know, to get his passport, you know. So big up yourself, our love. There's nothing but love and love alone you always show, you know. That's all you always send out. The name our love, so that stands for there's nothing but love. I would thank you for your continual support as well too. Big up yourself, our love. So this is me now heading into Trenchtown. So I'm right here at the intersection of Greenwich Farm. Hey, what's going on? Mr. Jeep black off right there, Mr. Soldier on the road. Something I go on. So there's a police Jeep right there, road block off there. And there's a police right there in the road. So it seems like something happened down there. Oh, something. Oh, seems like something happened down there because there's a police vehicle right there block the road. So we have to be diverted this way. So hopefully there's no one that got hurt in this time. Them say sometime in come on to summer Jamaica, boy, the sun is very hot, but sometimes the people them head get hotter, you know. So hopefully that's nothing like the case. So alright, let's take you into Trenchtown, guys. So bless and love. Remember, please to put the thumbs up when you're watching King Life in Jamaica and be a part of the family, and just hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet and you've been watching and you're waiting and see when you're gonna subscribe, you know. well guys, bless your love, bless your love, bless your love. So just arrived here in Trenchtown. I know where thing goes already. So we're here with the three musketeers. You know, we're here with the three musketeers. I feel
Ridley
that
never seen.
Ridley never seen before. You know, Ridley me this, Ridley me that.
Yeah,
now we find Ridley in a Trenchtown spot. Eat some food, some curry chicken back from baby with the thing them hot. Season to the bone and it's season well hot. Eat them and eat up the make it well hot. Scotch bunny peg hot, they make it well hot in Trenchtown. Hey, done artists.
Yeah man, yeah, big artist,
we have Jamaican uncle here in the building.
Yeah man.
We got yourself. And we have Trenchtown grandpa. Trenchtown grandpa himself and the building and Ridley.
Yeah man, every time.
Ridley never seen.
Yeah, and we have baby. Season to the bone food. You know, the thing goes already. We have boom here. You know, I have 30 grand.
Oh, there, you know, on the ground.
Yeah.
Right on the ground.
On the ground, we have Talbot over there live and direct. You know, live. So I make them go on, you know, take in this little baby tech set food and so on.
Yeah,
you know. So we say?
I'm eating curry boneless chicken back.
Yes, baby. Are you cook one there? I first me about boneless.
Curry boneless.
Right, the first me hear about the boneless chicken back.
Curry boneless chicken back, man.
But baby, that one the bad, the #1 pan spot.
Yeah,
so guys, if you ever want to eat chicken back, remember we know chicken back has bone.
Yeah.
So if you want the boneless chicken back, you eat it, you know?
Come
eat
to
the less
baby.
bone. Yeah. You know? So the bone tastes like meat. So that's what grandpa is saying right now, you know? Alright, so the bone
Season to the bone.
season to the
man.
bone. So them call themselves the three musketeers. You know? So you hear that? The three musketeers.
Well, let's love we deal with them.
Yes.
Yeah, man. There's some young people that are baby and stuff.
No.
Fella.
Try to stabilize them.
Yes.
We team up together.
And demonstrate
Show them,
love.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, we have to demonstrate love, you know, because we don't want to show them, we have to make sure so we are the
Anything this
example.
man has spent and this man has spent, we share.
Yeah man.
Alright, see there.
Sure together man.
Not because them feel like when that age, you're supposed to separate and say, you know, we live at grandpa age.
Exactly.
You know?
When the young lady said yesterday, oh, I don't think she'll say it to you. She say, oh, you can't subscribe to them at Walmart. They don't know what to do.
You see the same thing we are talking about. You see the same thing we are talking about. I true them as them I watch the age.
Yeah.
You know?
It's nothing to do with it, man.
Yeah, they might watch the age. The Trenchtown grandpa so they finally back home. Yeah, of course. All but effective.
Yeah,
You know?
man.
Teach them.
Yeah, man, I want to see them.
Alright, baby with the natural juice. Juice with the natural juice.
You have natural juice down there too? You get a cup, man.
Guys, you know, so I'm saying we're going to try into Mama River today. You know,
Ginger beer, mother love. You do
we'll
that.
show them how to go on top. We're going to bring them go up on Mama River today. You know.
Oh. That you know.
Yeah.
Like how you live on the health side. They have some blender thing going on.
Yeah, man, we have that, man. But Esther, she's the one, but she's not here. You know, so you're wounded in another way there. Right away, she have blended up something for you, well blending, you know, well blending.
Pumpkin dumpling when I saw them go out with that.
And oats dumpling and something there. But otherwise, no, we just take a trip to Ibo Spice and them places where they real.
Where's Ivor Spice?
Orange Street. 131 Orange Street, up Orange Street there.
We're not going to time places. By York Park?
No, man, you reach down there. You left from town coming up. Not far as the drive past where all Captain
Before
Bakery.
North
Yeah, before North Street.
Oh.
Charles Street, you pass Charles Street.
Charles Street.
Yeah, you come across Charles Street, then right on your left hand side. Which part Big Yard used to be?
Yeah,
Right there, sir.
You know what I want to do one year when I come? I want to go midnight mass at St. Anne's Church. Now when you see the midnight mass, you used to leave midnight mass 1 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
I walk from North Street and Charles from Percy Street
No, you're PS now.
Even though you're based on the car place here.
and Bond Street,
Okay.
right? Give me an idea where that is.
No, you
And
Let
me just take care of walk. Hey, Wrigley, listen to this. We used to leave church 1 o'clock in the morning, right?
Yeah.
I used to walk from Percy Street and North Street and come to Anatone Bakery. I make a right for Anatone Bakery on North Street there. Go right there behind Alcian School on Jellicoe Street. Come around Ralph Lane. Come around Price Street. Pass Ambassador. Come down 7th Street.
Yeah.
Cross over West Road. Take Tobias Street to Harris Street and go home. 1:30 in the morning. I work kids.
Yeah? Alright, so can you imagine them times, you know? You know, it was nice. You know, that's way before they get independence. You know, so them time you could leave your door and walk up and down anywhere you want.
So, Kino, how was it like there? You born and grow around it?
Yeah, right up there. Right up there.
Compared to now?
To know, you know what? Two difference. You know, we got through the rough and violent time.
Right.
And now we're in the calm and nice time. You know, so we can always talk about the past, how it was them time. They were have to duck and hide, you know, and can't go certain places. You know, can't even mention, say you come from Rima when you go certain places. You know, like, them little ways there. Back in, alright, you know what? Could have said that.
But you know, some people don't know about that.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
We left Rosestown. Washington Yard. But when I'm telling you, say, Trenchtown.
You say, know about them days there?
I mean, man. Alright, and then what do you when they on the TikTok classic? I mean, give them the whole 100 for all places, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I mean, him art and go.
I know the place is one.
Yeah, man. I want the unity.
Yeah,
Unity
you-
aspect.
Hold on ago.
Eh?
How long you live in a restaurant?
How long I live here? From a little like that down there. And so the reason right, when you cross the bridge, when them white car there over there, so, and you see the green house, and my house. That's what I live. From a little till now, I still live there. Me name Alton, them call me Alton Golf.
Yeah. So, oh, your original man, I don't know him.
We don't go over this.
Oh, you don't go cross the bridge.
We don't go cross the bridge.
Him not cross the bridge.
We don't go cross the bridge.
Yeah.
Stay over my boundary. I want my cousin over there, you know, but we don't go cross it.
Okay. And let's hold him ground.
Yeah, I want my cousin.
And we have Barney over here, so.
Yeah.
Another foundation man at the building. Come through, Barney.
Well, like me, I tell you.
Yeah. So it's history man, our original man. So you don't know him.
Yeah, it's right.
So this is, his name is Trenchtown Grandpa, where he's our original Trenchtown man. Trenchtown Grandpa. But he's the original Trenchtown man.
It's live at Harris Street and James Street. Oh, you know that?
I say Harris Street, almost James Street and Harris Street.
Right at the car in front of the hotel. I tell him, say one time, years ago in the late 50s, right? Yeah! Maybe 2 cars passed by Harris Street, only 2.
I want it park on yourself for the whole day.
Yeah. Yeah, 2 cars. You couldn't blow your hand around there because the man who did own that place, he was a mechanic. And he built that place. It looked so different now because it was so huge.
You know the McMaster, they have a place around there.
Yeah, man, on James Street, man. Peter McMaster.
McMaster, the father.
The father used to sell milk.
Yeah.
Hey, listen, it's a whole time I used to ride a bicycle and sell milk.
And
like when you would street
Say
now.
no corridor, Morris.
you see right at low lane, as you go up the lane, before you reach. Go up there before you reach near with it. It's a woodland over there, so. McMaster did have a board shop over there, so. The father will sell milk, one cold milk and bread and butter.
Yeah.
And 4 feed.
Come on. Can you notice that true at Trenchtown, the driver them drive carefully, you know, because they know say yo, they don't want to eat that even the dog.
All his wife will know. That's why somebody
You know his wife dead?
No, I don't know.
He had a funeral, you know.
You know her. She trapped in and dark.
Yeah.
But that's why
You know
somebody...
Peter too?
Yeah. That's why somebody picking them come.
Alright guys, so you know, while I was at night market, you know, I met one of my subscribers, who her name is Zandra. Not Sandra, you know, Zandra. You know, which is obviously she's in Jamaica now, you know, but she also from overseas. Her name is Zandra, so she gave me a donation, you know, to give to the little boy that got shot, which is $10,000. You know, and you know, Trenchtown Grandpa and Jamaican uncle know about the little boy as well too. So they're gonna also, you know, give him a blessing as well too, which is also beautiful, you know, and we give thanks for that as well. So they're gonna also bless him as well too, you know. So we really appreciate that also, you know, because the mom, because it's just coming from children, so the mom is in the vehicle as well too. Come on. Come on, can come on.
How much is over there in the US?
That? 5. Probably about 35.
Or 35?
Or $30, probably 30.
Call it 30.
Yeah, call it 30. 30. So, mommy, come outside now.
Oh.
Come outside with me.
I put him in a wheelchair.
No, I'm alright, him can go and stay in that chair. See me around here, sir. His name is Zane. See me here?
Zane.
Yeah.
What's up, Zane? Oh,
Zane? Yeah.
Zane, what's up? Everything good?
This is the movie here. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, well, listen, you don't mind being on my channel, do you?
Oh man, shit on.
Okay, well, I'm Trenchtown Grandpa, and I'm gonna bless you with this. Here.
And you want to put in a
It's mom.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay. You can also tell her thanks too.
Yeah. So I just gave your mom a little token to help you out, alright? And I hope the best for you going on. Alright? Just keep hope alive. Things will get better. You have youth on your side. So there's a great possibility that there's a better chance of success for you. Alright? But now, pay attention, listen to your mom, Okay? Stay away from trouble and the kind of kids that will cause any trouble. And be strong and be good, right? Blessings always. Take care of yourself. God bless you.
Play a big part in our church.
Yes, man.
Thank you very much.
Man, preach.
Yeah, no, like all the Bible.
Yes, mommy, I want to give you this from him also.
Yeah.
And I hope he going to become one of the greatest leader we can think of. You know? Because you see, whenever time things like this happen, it's for a reason. God going to use you. Yes, He's going to use you. And you must always follow the call. You know? Because you're going to help other people to overcome their struggle. Although they might have the 2 foot and can move good and do a run and everything, but you're going to teach them. You're going to show them how to live and how to survive. Because all what you're doing here is just for a period of time. And we are the hands and feet for God. So you're going to be one of them. And there's a reason why God have you. I don't say God make that happen enough. Because God make things in His own unique way. And God can do anything. There's nothing impossible for God. And if God didn't want you to die, you would be dead.
True.
That's why God saved you, for you to
have a purpose.
His hands and feet. You have a purpose to do. So please keep it up. Yeah? Yeah, man. Yes, kid.
Yeah.
You stay strong, all right?
Yeah. So
Yes, always, he's the one that motivates me to be stronger.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, you know she go through a lot, you know,
I know,
you know the situation.
I know.
She literally takes a
I know.
lot.
Financially, same way. I know.
And I always remember these 3 musketeers.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, these old men.
From the USA.
Yeah.
Right?
Jamaican uncle, anyway.
His channel is Jamaican uncle. Don't forget it now.
You won't forget it, man. Don't worry about that.
My channel.
I will remember.
What is my channel?
Trenchtown Grandpa.
All right. And you know where I'm from? You know where I used to live? Right at the corner of Harris Street and James Street. You know what that is?
Right across.
Hollywood.
Okay.
So we also have
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
Yes.
so we also have 10,000 here for you from Zandra. I met a lady the other night, you know, and she said, boy, it really touched her heart, you know, and she wants to give you 10,000 a year for him as well to present from Zandra.
Alright, from Zandra, I thank you. I appreciate it in advance, and God bless you.
So Zane, you can tell Zandra, thank you for the blessings.
Zandra, thank you for the blessings. May God help you back. Because you know, the goodness of putting in I always find out where you're coming back to.
Yes, I see. I mean, you give a big speech. Yeah, when? This Saturday?
Next week.
Next week Saturday?
Sorry, I'm not here, man. I would have to be there, man, to hear that speech, you know? Yeah, man, you can see the smartness on your face, you know?
So you've been practicing speech and everything already?
Okay, that's good.
Remember the graduation thing,
My graduate. Wow, big speech then. Alright, I've come catch a speech there, boy.
Yeah, man.
After the presidential speech I give, you know.
Yeah.
Keynote speaker.
Keynote speaker.
Who knows? Might be the next president coming up too.
Yeah, my win souls, right? How old are you now, Zane? Let them know. How old are you now?
I'm 12 years old.
12
just
now.
turned 12 last week.
Which school do you attend? Which school do you attend?
Irish Scale Primary.
So didn't you do at 12, don't you do covenant, don't you do GSAT?
PEP. It's not GSAT anymore, it's PEP.
For high school, right?
Yes.
Which high school are you planning to go to?
Anyone God choose.
Kingston College.
Anyone got choose.
We love that. We love that. You can't beat that.
What we're gonna ask Mom to do now is, can you give us a little something to buy milk for our kids?
No, we're not taking anything from Mom. Mom must get everything right now. That's it, brother.
Alright then, Zane. So take it easy, yeah?
You're sending a blessing to you and your kids.
Alright, we don't need anything. Alright.
We still need it because we need Jesus.
Yeah, we need it. Everybody needs it.
So we might not fall short in certain ways and certain things, but we fall short of the glory of God. So we need that.
Yeah, always. We always.
All right.
All right then, so we catch up, yeah?
Yeah, man.
You take care of yourself.
Yeah.
Thank you for the good work you're doing, man.
Yeah,
Thank
man.
you for the good work. Yeah, you really doing a good work.
Yeah,
I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man, every time.
Yeah, man.
We really doing a good work.
Alright guys, so we're gonna head out up to Miami River. But first they said they're gonna get some KFC for the kids them as well too. And you wanna get some fudge. But we don't have the pool. We're gonna try and get some fudge for them. We're gonna stop and get some KFC. And we also have an ex-subscriber, who also have something for me to give to the family as well too. She's waiting for me right now at the KFC up in New Kingston. So that's where we're gonna head now and then stop off and then collect that KFC and then we'll just get on our way, so before time kind of run out. So anyway, thing goes. So stay with us on our journey. We are Trenchtown grandpa and Jamaican uncle, and we have Ridley, the three musketeers them is here, so we're going to head out. Alright then. So they ready? Three musketeers. Rasta Jackson's here.
Jackson. A big I mash up TikTok,
Yes, man. Rasta Jackson. That.
Mash up TikTok. If you ever get some rhythm, you would know. You see him. Rasta Jackson here, sir.
Right, all the vibes up at the river.
Yeah.
Go up at the river, all the vibes.
Yeah, man. So you're gonna be here. Rasta Jackson coming out.
Yeah, man, come.
Yeah,
we'll come back anyway.
We are coming back here. Yeah.
So now, we're not paying no thing for cross the river. No water shoes to walk in the water. You can walk barefoot.
Yeah, definitely if you're. Yeah, man. Yeah,
so wait there. So Jamaican uncle.
Yeah, man.
He never walking in the water shoes. Or never walk barefoot in the water.
Me walking out barefoot in the water, man. More get
grounded. So now for us take off the shoes and walk.
Yeah, man. I take off my shoes and walk, man.
You can manage that because my feet kind of tender, because we're not used to this.
No, it's alright.
Where do you know?
It's good for the pedicure.
Where do you I see you walk,
Grounded.
I see you take off your
shoes.
But I never see you do nothing like this. It's like you're used to it.
Because I take my time to get used to it gradually.
Okay.
So hopefully we're going to see some of that from one of them. What that? Yeah, man.
Tell me where I go. Ask me where I go now.
So we say, I get the KFC first, and then we just head on there.
Yeah, man.
That's up half Garden Town Road we're going.
Okay. All right, you ready? Let's go. You
That's here.
We're not in pay the business. You're going to pay when we come back.
Yeah. Okay, so we just reached out to New Kingston by the KFC. So I also have a subscriber in there as well to waiting. Hello!
So you know how much people going to people and how much you want to get? Everybody gets some.
Come on. Yeah. Finally.
I'm just come out,
Yeah.
That's my brother, right?
Oh, they get you already?
Yeah, because just come out. Because we're going to drop off something to somebody in my work.
Oh, whenever here.
Huh? Yeah, the app is the same. It's like, just put these in it and some cups in here, it's 4 cups in this. 4 cups in this. And them are strong cover. So the cat something.
Oh, the cat.
Yeah, and I have cat stuff in the warm here. You talk about the leash.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's in it.
For the cat.
Yes, it's right here. The cat.
Oh, the cat leash.
Yeah. And there's two little plates for the cat.
So this is the cat plate?
Yes.
So guys, so we have a cat plate right here.
Because I see a lady that asked you to buy it.
Yeah.
I'll never find it in the store.
Yeah, yeah.
This 4 little cups are the 4 of them.
Okay.
They have
then.
cover and straw. These are some little stuff. It's 4 of these.
Okay.
But don't give the baby any. Just give the cousin one. And then just take a 4 little. Come Mr. Charles is a trouble thing on your hand.
Yeah, that's a
cranberry.
Cranberry. So
yeah.
Nana, Toko, cranberry.
Yeah, and probably little girl. The little cousin? No, the cousin, the twin.
Oh, the twin.
Yes, you can get one. We're coming back next month. Come over 19 little baby.
So look at me say that.
Yes,
oh,
so you can get one.
Yes.
But the 4 cup enough for them.
Yes.
They can share this. I may have teddy bears in here.
Okay.
Teddy bears. Everybody can get one with teddy bear. And a peanut, them kind of share it.
Mm-hmm.
And teddy bears. This one is for the babies. You have a double one in here. I think you have a double one. This some candy them can share it.
Yeah.
You want to say me have a double. Oh yeah. This one for the baby.
Oh, for Tara.
Yeah, Tara.
Okay.
And and the Cranberry can get one of this one. Anyone?
Anyone.
Yeah, and you can get one of this to the little girl. She can get one. There's 6 of them in there. So
okay.
you know you have 6 little girls there.
Yeah, yeah.
But I'm a little boy. I come back next month, so I'm put some of this in here.
Okay.
Thank
you so much.
Yeah, man. I saw and I said, I can bring a leaf that I have.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
and
we appreciate it.
And this ramen.
Ramen, yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I mean, I see she actually something on your
yeah. Yeah, man. So give your name.
Oh, I'm Sharon from Queens, New York.
Sharon from Queens, New York.
Yeah.
So guys, so here we have Sharon from Queens, New York, you know, blessing the family, Cranberry family. I want to thank her so much. Thank you for your patience as well.
Yeah, man, because I've been calling from the other day. I'm leaving tomorrow.
Okay.
I didn't want to have them before I leave.
Yeah, yeah. So we got some blessings, some goodies here for them.
Yeah.
You know, so thank her so much.
No
and
problem.
I wish you all the best.
All right.
Hopefully we get some time next time. Okay?
Yeah, man. I'm coming just for a week, the end of this, end of June.
Okay.
Bringing down my grandkids for the summer.
Yeah, yeah.
Leave them for 2 months.
Okay.
Yes, so I'll contact you when I come back.
Yeah, man, no problem.
All right,
Thank
take
you.
care.
All right, then, take care.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, man, thanks. Boom.
We're
gonna pick him up on the way.
Yeah.
We'll pick him up on the way. Yeah. Bye-bye. Alright guys, so I'm gonna join this KFC line. Yeah. I know KFC have a line already, so I'm gonna get this thing started a little more. But then, okay. Oh. The inside? What am I talking? Yeah. Alright guys, so see, we set now.
Yeah, man.
We get 2 big bucket, 2 21 piece, whole heap of chicken for eat.
Yeah, man. Wow.
2 big 21 piece.
You don't say.
You know, kids them, everybody are gonna eat, so we give thanks to Jamaican uncle and Trenchtown grandpa.
Yes, sir.
You know, so we big up Trenchtown grandpa and Jamaican uncle. you know, for the street for the kids them. And the adult them I got taste of their mouth same way. Yeah. See me himself, Trenchtown grandpa.
The first in 20-something years.
Yeah.
When I taste Jamaica kid.
20-something years.
Maybe 30 years.
Yeah.
How long before you taste it?
It's about 30 years I haven't had kettle.
We're gonna taste it tonight, man.
Tonight is the night.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so we're gonna roll out.
Roll up, man.
Take your time, so it's a blessing. So now we're ready for the road. Ready for the road.
Where is it? Yeah, man.
Well, going on next week with behind.
When are the big one? Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
What go on? Think of.
Go down.
When I go down, I go for my river. Not. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Jamaica.
Let's don't want to try 15 other vehicle.
You got 15 other vehicle?
If you're not ready for going again.
See my ready for
You remember I got a treat, man.
I got a treat and thing, man.
Yeah. Alright, guys, so we'll pick up our chef on the way.
Yeah, man, twice, man, there, man, you know.
Twice.
Yeah, cause I don't know. You see? One blessing, one love, you know, so we go up on the river now, meet Cranberry, man.
Yeah.
Sit down on the river and go and build, so.
Yeah.
You see me?
Over there with Jamaica, uncle and Trenchtown grandpa.
Said we are Trenchtown grandpa, Jamaica uncle, you know, all for blessing and love, you know.
Yeah.
Enough time, you see? My heart, man, you see?
Yes,
good one, now I see the Kenyan general still.
Yeah, man. Back in the town again. Yeah, man.
See me, I will pick up Jenna.
See me,
and Resort.
Yeah, man.
Resort, baby, you look like a referee.
Yeah.
Yeah, referee. A dream team referee. And we have Jenna over there.
Grandpa.
Yes, Trenchtown grandpa. A shot? Right there. Not a shot.
I got swim. Come yourself first, man. Come on.
Yeah, we'll put the foot tonight and go and relax. First, I come up here to them.
First.
That's so go, man.
For the kids.
Yeah, first everything. Now I come.
Them same party.
Oh, come on the way.
Okay. Jella there. That teacher, Jella, everybody there. See that? Yeah, man. No love.
Yeah, Esther gone on the road today.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, guys, you know, Esther gone on the road today.
Yeah, we miss Esther today.
Yeah, she gone on a trip.
Yes.
You know, them work trip.
Yes.
So, lucky she.
I'm telling you.
She gonna swim. She gone with the water. If you say the blue water.
The blue water is.
Yeah.
She had a swimmer. Not like me.
So now we're there with the clear water.
Yes. Yeah,
she gone with the blue water, guys. So you know anything goes. Oh, them a look at. Huh? So after them done. Peer young ones. I don't even use the young one to make juice neither.
I was watching you guys walking here. I see I'm walking here now. Yeah. See? Let's go. Let's go now.
Yes, guys, so you know everything goes already. So we're kind of been in some traffic, you know, kind of stuck in some traffic on the way and everything, you know. So we give thanks, you know, we made it safe and everything. So it's time for them to go and cross that river there. You know, tell them already. Tell them already. You better can cross it. Nobody can cross it. Just who alone who understand it. I tell them say, nobody can cross it. Just who alone know who understand it. Nobody can cross it. Just who alone understand it. Remember that song don't go viral? Nobody can cross it. Just who alone who understand it. Yes, baby. Nobody can cross it. Nobody can cross it. Watch your step, so focus on your step, you know.
Make it even nicer.
Yeah. Yes. Trenchtown Grandpa need the assistance.
Yeah, man.
Give him the assistance, Dream Team ladies.
Yeah, man, the Dream Team ladies.
Yes.
The Dream Team ladies, man. That looks so cool, eh?
Yeah.
Trenchtown Grandpa, you live life, man.
Yes.
One lady on the right, one on the left.
So you know, so you have to take off your shoes then for crossing.
Yeah, make off my shoes.
Can make you cross that way. Boom. Boom.
Yeah, man. With your mom in the river right now.
So ladies, man, forgot to take off them shoes. You never got to take off the shoes to cross it.
Cross it?
Yeah, when you walk in the water. Alright, Uncle crossed it without taking off his shoes. So I can't make the jump.
No, I can't jump, I'm tired.
It's a Trenchtown Grandpa. Yeah man, get your feet grounded. Your feet. Ridley, you making it?
I'm trying.
Hey.
She come on party now. One, prep for me. That is
Evening.
yeah, you see something there in the car?
I need to carry your left feet.
Hush back.
No way left feet. I want to wash.
Look now, when Esther take the box and draw me, the funny in the car, so she me asked my mother, so she never make it.
ask Esther for you come.
Esther they gone somewhere today. Esther not there here today. Esther gone. We bring.
So you bring today?
We bring KFC food, no? And we have some gifts.
You see you, daddy?
See me, what?
I'm happy.
You happy?
Let's see me check the traffic and none of that.
Gone. How we did that?
Me don't know like you right now, like Kusa told me.
Yeah.
Me say yesterday I'm go up there some single but I'm going to eat.
See, so I can't believe it. I thought you watch jackfruit for your daddy.
No, sir. Remember you bring me up for my birthday, I'm not going to do for what?
So at them time they missing?
Yes.
I don't believe that.
Yeah, go up there today and see daddy.
You know how to protect your daddy thing, man. No, star. So you going to make them take the pine too.
Nah, me protect the pine too. Every day I'm going down and watching TP clock till they come.
Clock till it missing.
Alright, if it miss up, I get a pine for you back.
No, I don't want a pine for you, I want the same pine. I don't want no other pine. Not at all.
So how so much jam on the people today?
Yeah, so we have guests.
That's all.
Remember when you see the guests, then you're going to greet them and say hello or you're doing, okay? Because them come look for you and your family and bring stuff. Yeah?
He never me a laugh.
I'm being serious.
You know, so today time when me a shower,
Where your mother?
upstairs.
She up there?
Her too, she's tired of time to go away. And her friend that she got help.
Let me know, let me know, Hold grandpa. His name is Trenchtown, so you're going to call him grandpa.
And that's what me a call him.
What you call him?
Grandfather, him name.
Grandfather?
Yes.
Hold him not fish, hold him not, don't let go. We are begging you, don't let go.
So,
make it.
Say
Say hello to grandpa here.
Hello.
How you doing?
Turn on. This is Cranberry here. What everyone is talking about.
You're Cranberry Hill?
Yes.
Well, what does that mean?
Came Cranberry, not Cranberry Inn.
And my father this.
You want to know your father?
They say my classmate, they say
you know your father.
Look now what me ask him to stop me here, Esther. No. So you know. Love me that anything she ask me for she go get it.
To the water going on.
Take off your slippers, man, grandpa. Yeah. Walk barefoot.
Foot tender.
I say to feel it.
I say my mother love. Your mother so Esther there here. You know that the cake. I'm reaching out. Look come on there get more cake. Cross. Yeah, look come on now. Go come on. Mother friend. Everybody think I'm a sister.
No, have no finishing touch.
I don't know what daddy making. Daddy can't let him. Yeah, my father, no.
Oh, she ever start and then not a finishing touch.
I was one pick up with the bamboo stick.
Earlier.
No,
comes the grand. Yeah, I'm telling you where we're going. Here's Cranberry. Cranberry meet Jamaican uncle.
Yes. Yeah, man, come up here to spend a time with you guys up here, man. Cranberry.
Of course, me I see you.
First you see me, Cranberry?
Yes. I can't and them.
Okay. No, you can't say you never see me at Cranberry. Yeah.
And that's Ridley over there. His name is Ridley.
It's one of your adopting.
Yeah. And they adopted.
Yeah, man.
Nice to meet you.
He adopted the whole community, man. Yeah, man.
She had the saucy one, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
You can't hear. But you hear her face.
Yeah, no, she act like she shy, you know.
No, I'm not shy, Daddy.
You know you're not shy, man. Yeah, because she had the saucy one. Yeah. She's not joke.
Every time, I get here when you're talking. Why? Antenna? Look, man, they see and come down here. There most of people that come down right now. And through my foot cut, I walk up the road normally.
You tell them some coming?
Yeah, I tell them from my and they come up. And they can't see one now come from out there. Two of them up there do something now.
Right.
Them soon come.
My mother said, I don't call them now. So see them run a bullet and come down. Daddy, you can't come back, come cook.
So come back, come cook,
We
man.
say, what do you think of the food nice? We say,
Nice?
yeah.
Yeah.
Why you cook? No, why you cook?
Dumpling and right name again?
Fish.
Oaks.
What's dumpling?
Oaks dumpling.
What's dumpling?
And fish, fried fish. And
Yeah.
fried dumpling.
Yeah.
And coconut.
Really?
Water.
Yeah.
And nice, I've been done cooked that we both get it.
Yeah.
Hearing. And I love it for the after them. Yeah, my next sister them. Yes, I want more than it. So no. You don't want no more dumpling, you know, you dumpling. It's like you not laugh and say, so I cook it now you want it.
Right.
And you say you never want.
Because
So you get it now, you know, and you
Can
want
you cook?
more.
Can you
Yeah,
cook?
man.
Yeah,
I
and
think I
can
sweet,
cook.
man.
Yeah.
I can't show when I cook.
Yeah.
Porridge, banana, dumpling,
Yeah.
fried dumpling.
You can do all of that thing.
Yeah. I want the one man come and run and take some food.
Yeah, man, Cranberry can cook,
You
man.
can't get bored, you go on your food here.
So how old are you?
12.
And can cook, sir? So when you get older, then you have to cook the
You can work my restaurant.
Yeah?
That's good. Keep it up.
So we just tell Tyrone say I want me, I was hearing. So the first time can buy a basket to put your whole clothes in. So I say, "Pa, buy me a jar already. Why me got to buy me one more basket to do what?" To do what?
Oh, you sure you're 12?
Yeah.
Our old soul is, you know.
If I show you my birthday when them do them, they kill me I say, Daddy, I'm a rich one.
So
You
what
have to
school
wash
you
my
go to?
face. You know some face I won't go.
Yeah, my ask you how school you go to.
We're a primary infant.
Primary school. So, what's your next sister?
Yeah. That's Nana.
Hello, Nana.
That's
Can
Nana.
you swim?
That's a big swimmer, man. Yeah,
Come
man.
here.
Big swimmer. When you start swim already, you not cover the ear.
No, Daddy, me what am I, you know, look like if you never wet it, it's tough right now. Feel it? That's how it's soft now? And when you come for start there, we go back down?
No, who tell us you not come for now again?
That mama said. Daddy, mama come back. And then bring me a yard, you know?
Really?
No. I'm friend them yard, him bring me go keep the party, all the mother vex. You know what I'm not talking mother about? Only when my birthday come. Like you know, you will tell your mother vex and say, I'll keep no one some feet no. Time to take care of that, I'm a blue dart already so far.
So wait, that's our next sister?
Our next sister, which one? She?
Yeah.
That's their cousin.
Because everybody's my sister.
Browning, we have the man for Browning. We have gifts for now, we have KFC.
Kino, tell us what call the man.
One call the man and look at himself.
Can you can run my food coffee? I'm not. Yeah,
That go on. See that?
Sit down, let us buy me another seat. What? Wow. I mean, first, two ice cream we get in there, they feel like a joke. Two ice cream and then the one we run down, go call look man now. She take for my ice cream.
Well, you can watch it on your TV later.
Yeah, but don't see, in my morning, in my cup, and I say, I just want to go see that. Say, must have come. I think I have my worry. Pepsi, you have ginger beer. You're going to have a shop. Tell us, anytime women are come down, I look for my phone.
We have some gift for you as well too. We get bracelet for you.
Daddy, you know what I give Nana no?
Why?
She grab it off of my hand and my mother give me something for keep him on there.
Yeah, I get one as well. No, but everyone I get one.
No, look, no, that's a them, Daddy. If I bring Carrie back, I'm wash up my mother. So I'm give my mother.
No, you're not supposed to bring it at the river.
Give my mother and put on my jar.
So what tell you wash up with I read so?
I'm calling one.
Got them all Cranberry.
Look at me use on there. Must say you come and wash up.
Yes guys, so we're here, you know as usual, Cranberry. Say hi to everyone. Say hello everybody. Looking at the camera, so let's see.
Yes, the next one still there.
To everyone that donated to my family.
Thank you, everyone who donated to my family.
We love you.
I love you.
That's inside. Yeah, big 12 now, you know. Big 12.
Look at that one there, it looks like here and here about soap on it. It look a bit, look.
I see him thing. Yeah, I see him.
That one, the
Different one.
other one. The man wearing a little bird.
Yeah, the one that's working.
One of them to go make my, when me and the, like my TikTok and ooh, me have no chance.
Is it Natisha, you go swim?
No, you have to know that me not no chance. Oh no. My mother and you have a big shot, you know. You see that, daddy now?
Wow.
The burn people, I don't make them bring them change that clothes. You see it now?
Where them I come from?
What? What are them? I say, yeah, we put all on one like that. We can't do it. Oh, them go like that, daddy. Some of them drive different. 2K drive. I mean, I say, do all on the one like that. Look how them fat, so. All them people in a fear. Too much. Be a man. Them one of them people can hold like that. I say, I'll see.
At the family, so them house are right up there, so. Don't know if you can manage your walk. Look right there, so.
Yeah.
Hey, uncle, you want to make a walk to look for the house where you fix?
Yeah, man, we can't go do it.
You are managing Trenchtown?
No, what, come back and put.
See people in my eye.
Never sit down, let's have a put in the water.
Come on, stop behind it.
Yeah.
Right. You know what my mother say should I do? Put in the blue bean them in my ear like mama.
You want blue bead too?
Yeah, I never want a small little bead them.
But this bead fit your personality.
No, my mother said I'm not follow them.
Oh, evening.
Come and stop it.
Some other kids here as well.
What friend them here?
What, my friend? You good?
Come on and stop free. Come from tell people. I see them man. I tell them to stop free. And when people they never.
Yeah.
And when I see no people now, you see them.
Hello, what's your name? Huh? Nayoka.
Yeah, these are the kids who come to visit up here. Yeah, come Nayoka. Come to me now.
Nayoka, I won't cry you.
Where you running from me, Nayoka? You scared of me?
Yeah, you have grandpa there, it's a grandpa there.
Sit your grandpa there.
What are you doing?
And what's your name?
How old are you?
Jaisha? You don't shy. You like Johnny? You don't shy like you. How about you? You shy?
Come, you get left out. Come here.
You shy, man, because you're not talking.
Come say hello.
Say something.
Hello.
Say hello.
How are you?
You not say hello?
What's your name? Tell him your
What's your
name.
name?
Ari.
What's your name?
Speak up.
Oh, no.
Ari.
Alright.
Okay, okay.
She went on cool.
Okay. Yeah.
How many kids?
The parents have 4 of them.
What's this?
That's Roots.
Oh, I think it was
That's
I
Roots.
have another one
Okay.
from Neiman.
Oh.
You have more?
Oh,
Yeah.
Watch it.
Okay.
You know when I ban this and you're not ban it. Okay, same match. Watch it.
Yeah, same thing.
You saw them look? I look at 2 of this other. I want everyone right now for video 5 every time when he come watch him now. And I said, he's not pretty for real.
You pretty?
He's beautiful.
You beautiful? You beautiful till you handsome, right?
Look on the hand, look here. And look where him dark and black and brown. Look here. And some skin look, watch it.
Yeah.
Black and brown.
No, man.
That's really other part.
No, man. A bronze, man. A bronze color.
You know, my father
Nobody
died
has sent me enough for
when she was 3 years old.
Them have some for keep me
My dad
black.
died when she was 3 years old.
Yeah. Sorry for you, man. Once if she's around there, she'll be alright, you know that.
Yeah.
But him say one day I want to come sleep with him and I live with him.
You live in yard?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't even want to come. I don't know what I'm doing. You can want a bicycle for ride also. Like once we just come from out of the road.
You don't ride bicycle?
Yeah, me and them. To my friend them, I'm
So you drop on trip?
What day I have on the bicycle, something where from the fire and knee. And when they drop, nothing.
What the knee part? Okay.
So me at them take me buy the bicycle, better me buy the something for you.
I'm gonna buy you a swim jacket, a swim if you swim.
Anything you give me, I'm
Because
going to
the bicycle now gonna make you ride those places where you're not supposed to ride.
I buy me the scooter, which one?
None of them.
No, you want to swim.
You want to stay where the river is.
I that they can give me
Because
the
the bicycle will make you ride, go out, but you're not supposed to leave too far.
anything you give me, I'm going to take.
Exactly.
But bicycle for ride go where.
Take it out,
I'm going to go say hello and come back. Come go say hello to the parents and then come back.
So
grandfather now, go on.
Him live up here?
Yeah.
Grandfather
now, go on, come.
Hey, that is my grandfather, yeah.
Hollywood, hey, she is so verbal.
Grandfather, I'll beat you.
Oh, what she's 12?
Don't miss
Yeah.
your grandfather. We'll beat you. Alright?
Come on, step up. Come. Come, Josh.
Come, twin, come. Come here, Toko. That's the next sister. Look one.
Eh?
What do you look at?
What's that? Second Isha there.
Where?
Up there, so. And she and me, but where do you come then?
Where can you show them?
Up there, so she said. Up there,
She a
so she
what?
there. Make sure that she there, and if my father turn back.
Call her then. Make she come. This is another sister.
My sister now.
Oh, that's another sister, Toko.
Okay.
One next, the other one for them.
Yeah. She had a big swimmer too. She had a big swimmer.
Nana. Oh, Nana. What mommy now?
Yeah, the swimmer?
Yeah.
She can't back fake.
Run and jump all off of yourself.
No, she can't run from this and back. This time, now water like so look.
That's front
She's
flip.
so bad?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, she's
Teach her to swim.
Nobody mother to a rock or a baby. I wear a pump. What's your one?
Wow.
I took in anybody or we are baby. Picking up on catch you swim and that's what I know.
Yeah.
I beg him best in watching.
What?
Yes, he beg on me face and me here about pub.
You have over 200.
A beer boy I have.
Oh, uncle, you're a trad man, uncle, man.
What's up? I went in with front away.
Go on up.
Oh, God. Look.
Ridley, welcome to this live, Ridley.
Good exercise.
Yeah. Hill climb, you know?
All courtesy of.
Yeah. Hill climb. Uncle, are the daddy this, you know, where? It's a, oh, go on, it's a Jamaican uncle. Jamaican uncle.
Yeah, man.
So, I'm put in the work as well to on the place. This is Ridley.
Yeah, never seen.
So the one you working on now?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, he's a builder?
Yeah, I'm the father.
Oh, for all these.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah?
And I'm the builder as well too.
Yeah.
And that's his lady there.
Okay.
And the younger child, Tara.
That little one?
Yeah. So that's the kids then, mother.
Oh,
your mommy?
What?
Okay.
No, she, and the next one, 4 of them.
Oh, okay.
These are just cousins.
Yeah.
So that's the house up there, you know?
Yeah. Oh.
When you sit on the video.
Okay, this was the house.
So, you put out a problem?
Yeah.
I tell them just go back to the key now.
Just go tell them.
Yeah, them up on the road.
Them have sugar, you know. Diabetes, so.
We'll get some big
Put a swell up more.
Yeah, because you don't come over.
Roger. Yeah, really have to ease it off a little bit. For the up and down. Yeah. Oh, sure now.
Yes, you know.
So show them how I go on the charge. Oh, I get the...
You just roll up. Oh, you want to be able to
go this every week.
Every day you fit, man.
Yeah?
You go help him.
Every day.
Every day you fit.
Well, you got your
little kitty.
You got your little banana tree as such a man.
Yeah, I mean,
and she's strong enough.
Yeah.
Strong and helpful.
Yeah.
You know. Come, you know. I try to get new man, baby, I give the whole of them clothes I wash.
You wash them?
Me. There's so much of them, you see. Cock clothes.
Tolin.
I think we are so and so.
Alright, you're not gonna call my phone anymore. Okay? You're not call my phone anymore. Kenisha, I don't want Tara call my phone anymore.
Daddy,
Yes.
I did last night.
Yeah, and then she come on the phone as well too.
And when they come down, she don't want to chat.
Yeah, you're not gonna call my phone anymore. Okay, Tara?
Right, I'm talking.
Go ahead.
Oh, there's another house up there, such a.
Yeah. So, but before, this is what them add on.
Which one?
This.
Oh, they add on this one?
And this one here where you see them is.
Oh, okay.
Before it was only just one small room.
Oh, one small room?
Yeah. And then a bathroom we get them add on as well.
Entertainment.
And then the fire do all of the work as you see.
Yeah.
All of the work. So that kind of help us with the labor costs.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the whole of this.
Whole of the piece style that we're going in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we put in the whole of in a room where the piece and like corner and stuff.
Yeah,
we put in the whole of them. We take out one and one broke.
You put a sort of more
Soon as I lie down and spray, go back down, you know. I said, soon as I lie down and I sit up back, I'm on it, jar down back again. But soon as I go back on it again, it's soon up again.
So you said key on this as well?
Yeah, I just basically.
A kitchen?
Yeah, kitchen this I put here, so.
Oh, okay.
Kitchen this. So before it was only a room the way you say grandpa was. And this is where the father belonged as well too.
Oh, so it's an extension?
Yeah, extension. There was 6 of them.
What else left to do?
Well, as you can see, a finishing touch. But you can look around and you can see basically what's left.
This is my room.
Your room?
Oh, yeah, are your room this?
Yeah.
Okay.
So basically, as what you say, you know, like a finishing touch left to finish up. You know? So the fire do the one of the tile.
I put on the tile?
Yeah, he build everything.
Yeah?
Yeah, he build
and then put on the door on the back the door.
Yeah.
One door put on the door back.
So, put it on to,
you put on it?
Yeah, I done it now, put the seed, I just put it on this morning.
Oh, the door gone on?
Yeah. Yeah, I just put money whenever I put them, I done already, man.
Okay.
But I'm going to take off the piece of wood, another piece of wood.
Don't take out the plastic yet, please.
Hello.
Hi.
So this is Ridley. So this is the mom. Good singer too, you know.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hi.
You can sing?
Yes.
Yes.
Show me some.
Yeah.
If you believe in yourself, no one can tell you you don't even matter. Just believe in yourself. You must believe in yourself.
We encore for that. Sound good. You have a good voice.
Yeah.
Keep it up. Who have the voice? She have the voice?
Tara.
Nana can sing too.
Yeah. Nana sing. Oh, Nana can sing too. So before it was only just this room.
Oh.
The 6 of them was in this room.
Oh, okay.
You know, so you see why everyone just reach out to help the situation.
Right.
You know?
Right.
So that's why I'm just here to give the assistance.
Alright.
So as you can see, I have a couple more things left to do.
Yeah.
I would love him to get some more some sheet here to cover this.
Yeah.
Solitex to cover this.
Yeah, we have them.
You have them already?
Yes.
Oh, you have them already.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So those.
So how
How leak, you know,
how is it when it
really
rains?
see it yet. I see you saw a leak when the rain falls. I see say you saw a leak. Someone
Oh.
Solitex them yet.
Right.
And then
That got patch.
But it come like a nail hole to me. Because
Nail hole.
the rain that fall, me did I watch it, so must say it's a nail hole.
So how you get the material up?
those are why they will pay for me and cross. And jump out on the road on the front. Just pay for me and cross. But we can't, I know, carry over, so we can't.
But for concrete hill with cement and
Yeah,
sand
you pay for
and...
the cement and...
Carry it over.
So what is behind here? Another road?
No, the road, the truck can carry straight up on the main. It's a main road that up on the top of this again.
Oh. No, I was just thinking of the closest point to ever get
But
material.
closer, but you see, we have to come down the yard and eat the
Yeah.
yard and
Oh.
So I kind of more, I think that's a more kind of difficult. Because when time we bring the bed and the chest went that way. And it kind of more difficult. But when you take it across the river like way, so come and park out there, so it kind of not so bad. But with up there, so you have to go up. Yeah, you have to go around the corner and everything. So I feel up at the river is the best place to bring it. You know, it's really
So
best.
Kino, how you find this place?
I want to the side of the river I'm coming now. And we have you see Cranberry. You know, Cranberry is a little hustle line now. She sell like she a ikla. You know, she sell like cheese chicks and sweets and good thing there. So come up here. Some of the meet her when we come up here, she sell her stuff them. You know, cause we meet her with the artist named Shay now. You know, and from them time me and I was have this band. You know, because I realized what she saw and I'm like her as a little girl I try to hustle, you know? Yeah, so I've been coming.
She have a good,
she have a good spirit. So I come up here.
That's her dad?
Yeah, no, her dad passed away when I was 3.
Oh, so you still are dad, right?
Yeah, still are dad.
Cool.
now the small man, so they run for 8 months, you know.
8 months.
Yeah, for 8 months.
So it take me a long while because you know you see her, you know, like, you see people in life and you can know them go through struggles because you see the stress, but it never show up on the family. So we never know how them that live. Because when you see her, you can see her, she look healthy and everything. When you see the rest of the kids, they look healthy. When you see the mother, she look healthy. So you know normally when you see people, them look stressed and them go through a little stage, but them it never was the case. So it take me a while before I come up here to really see how them was living. And it kind of inspired me to see the way how them living, but yet them still happy. You know? Yeah, as we talked about earlier, a lot of people have all the material stuff and have all the money, but yet they're not happy.
Yeah.
But his family is happy the way they are. I never them ask me for any help. And the viewers them when I watch a program, they must say, Kino, we should help his family. You know? Because when you look on them all look happy already. You see me, you couldn't tell they was good. Yeah, you couldn't tell say they was going through a situation, and that's what me really like most. You know, because a lot of us we're not happy like how them are. You know? And everyone has come together and said they want to help them. There was only 6 of them here in this room and this one bed. Can you imagine 6 of them alone and this one bed? You know, the parents and plus the 4 kids them.
And a lot of kids will have it.
They don't appreciate it at all.
Alright, man, you will talk.
Yeah, man. So we can make things happen. So you see, so Grandpa, you must say,
behind this for expansion.
you know, so where everyone was before.
Everybody was on just one bed?
Just one bed, one room.
Look at that.
All 6 of them.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow.
You know, 6 of them. And as I said, as I said before, when I'm just I see them, you'd never know so them I go through stress. Because usually people go through struggles, it a seed on them.
Yes.
But with them, it's never sure.
So how you get to find out?
It take me a while before I come up here because I never think so the struggle was like that.
Yes.
You know, one day I say, yo, Cranberry, I see where you live.
Right.
And everything, you know. Because I always meet them down on the river there.
Yes.
Everybody always look vibrant and happy.
Yes.
They never ask me for the help.
Never ask you neither?
No. I come up here and, you know, I'm seated and I'm like, no, they need like help in my mind.
Yes.
So, you know, I highlight it on my video and everybody see because them fall for Cranberry and them say, no, man, okay, you know, we should help the family.
Yes.
You know, remember they never ask you the help.
Never ask you.
Never ask. You never ask you nothing.
Look
you know. but yet them still happy.
Happy same way.
Of course, the same thing I tell about the people who have everything, but them still not happy.
Exactly.
And the family who have
zero.
And when you look on them,
happy.
Look on the kids, them.
Look at that.
They never know, so they might go through struggles.
They never know.
They never know, man. And imagine 6 of them.
6 people sleep on this bed. One bed.
And it's one room. No bathroom.
So that means this wasn't here before it?
No. Actually, the donation and everything. This other and everybody's a kid.
So I'm going just this. Yeah, so this one room?
This one space here. Just this one space.
Look at that. It must feel good now, man. Knowing that they have so much room now.
Yes. And I'm going to say, all the father him do all of the work.
Yes. Look at that.
So we give thanks to
save a lot of money.
Save a lot, see me with the labor costs.
Yes.
And everything, you know. So we give thanks to everyone that play a part in them life and helping them out, you know.
Yeah, man. So tell me something, that other part over there, what we're going to use as?
Kitchen.
Oh, that's the kitchen?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
And so them other and a bathroom. And
yeah, man, the bathroom over there. So that's nice. That's nice, man. They have all them flush toilet and everything.
Yeah.
Wow.
So it's not finished yet, you know. Still upon the finishing touch.
Yes.
You know, so these are the things that we have to get to finish off and everything, and we get them a nice like house opening, you know.
Oh, that's
like
good.
a gathering, you know, get everything complete. But as I say, him alone and him work on him 6 foot.
Yes.
You know, but we appreciate him.
Yeah, man.
You know?
Can help them out, you know.
Of course.
And whatever me myself can do with it, you know.
Yeah.
So know where yourself.
Yeah, man. Just help along the way. Cause we have
come sit with my 2 eyes.
Yes, so you see, so you know, and you see the family, you know.
Yeah, man.
Great family, man.
Yeah, man. You're right. And up to the cat happy.
Yeah, everybody happy.
All the cat happy. Look here. All the little cat happy.
Ken, we have some KFC, man. We can come with you and can bring up one of the buckets. Yeah? Can buy 2 buckets. I'm going to the river because we have some stuff as well too. They have 2 buckets of chicken and we can bring up one. And we can have another bucket with a shrimp amongst them as well. We have some stuff as well too.
Her cousin. They are best friends.
Everybody say me and I.
Yeah, so we try to finish off this, you know.
And the kitchen and the bathroom for one place.
Yeah.
You have to go to the door.
Yeah.
You want anything, you know. Just go right inside.
Hello.
God bless you, man.
The whole family, you know. Come, we have some gifts down there as well too. And we have bracelet. Toko, I get bracelet for you. And liquor miss.
Come, daddy.
And some teddy bears.
What?
Yeah. We have teddy bear.
Everybody happy, you know, kingdom happy.
Oh?
Look, man, Togo said him down a
river. Oh, really ready for movie.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh.
you good? Nice, Ronnie.
I'm not ready for home.
Ronnie, you're good, man.
Why? Daddy, what's about? Come on, I said come. Daddy, you know so can story one camera there, so?
Camera?
Camera, so I take out that boat there.
But the camera still gonna need a light.
No, first I'm gonna build back one light, right? So that's so.
Ready for?
Oh, them not far. You for mine, you for. Yeah. Of course.
They can run it down and run it.
Yeah, you for mine, you fall.
Come, my friend, them come.
The one I know gone left Ridley door.
Yeah, see my problem.
Oh. Yeah. Cranberry. Don't leave Ridley, come help him. Come guide him down the stream.
See you, daddy. Come here.
Yeah, them always say when you're going downhill, you go sideways.
Because them little loose grabbers slide guided by
Cranberry.
You know, see that dog again, him still follow you know.
Oh, Browning?
All school him follow
this steep terrain.
Oh my.
Coffee that
When you come? No, we're not going to bring it up and share it. We're not share it now.
So what we gonna do with the next one?
Them are going to eat that amongst themselves.
Where?
But I'm going to give first.
Alright. We bring more food on. This is food.
This is we have some stuff here from Sharon. Sharon from Queens. Wait there.
The Pepsi juice one, yeah, Kina?
Yeah, what is miss?
I like me the crema. Yay!
First, we have the look on the camera, make sure you see me. So we have the cat plate.
Wow, thank you, Kino.
This is from Sharon from Queens. First, we're going to thank Sharon from Queens.
Thank you, Sharon from Queens.
From Queens. Yeah. So thank you, Sharon from Queens.
Thank you, Sharon from Queens.
New York.
From New York.
Alright, so.
Mommy, look here. Mommy, look here.
Alright, so all is now cranberry. But this is for the cat. The both of them is for the cat.
Yes, Daddy, we can feed him. This will go in at the food.
Yeah, food, same thing. Both of them is the same. Food and
water. And this one? Food
same
too.
thing, food.
And water. You know when we do the thing them? I fold the thing and feed him pan water. Jaisha, don't me put it pan him. Look.
I think she said this one
is mine.
No. Is it yours? No, I think it's Tara's.
Yeah, get tired of that.
I think so. Oh yeah, I think it's Tara's.
Oh, you look twins so.
I don't know. But this one is Tara. So here you go, Tara. Say thank you, Sharon.
Thank you.
Look like camera and say thank
you, Sharon.
Alright, Tara. I think this one is cranberry, she said.
Yeah, man.
You like that one, cranberry? I want to feel it. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to say, which one do you think fit Toko? Which one?
This one. This.
Let me see what's in there again. Oh, there's another white one. So this one fit Toko? Yeah. Alright, so thank you, Sharon.
Thank you, Sharon.
So Nana, which one you want? You want that one? Ari. Like this one? That's you, Ari.
I want last one.
And we have Licorice.
One to Lukuman.
Lukuman not get this. He's a boy. This is for all the girls.
1 to 99.
Oh, that one. Oh, but listen, 299 came late on the scene. That's why. And we got 4 cups as well to for Nana, Toko, and Tara. Right? So these are the cups.
You know what we can do? Bring them to school too. No?
These are the cups.
Mommy, you know we're going to do them cups there, bring them to school and drink water. No?
So here you have sweets.
Wow!
You have sweets.
Mommy, see them top Nana don't take out none.
Wait to share.
Wow. Yeah, we're telling thanks.
These are the 4 cups to the 4 of them.
May I pop them up there, Kino?
Alright, and she give me now 4 more stuffs for the girls them as well too, right? And because she just come on the scene. That's why. So we have Licorice, we have Nana, we have Toko and Cranberry. Right? Listen to me, Licorice, Nana, Toko and Cranberry.
4 cups? Wow! Lord,
Wait.
What them braces are pretty?
So Licorice, Tara, Nana.
Daddy, you know we're going to do them. Them sweetie, I can't shot them sweetie more.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Daddy, look at sweetie more.
So.
That's mint for your soy now.
We're going to look
Which one?
Look at me. We have to give me Licorice.
That one?
Yeah, actually. Licorice here.
That's from Sharon. So thank you, Sharon.
Thank you, Sharon. This is mine.
No, this is mine.
Tara,
Alright, so.
Thank you, Sharon.
What me say? Thank you, Sharon.
Sharon, yeah.
Thank you, Sharon. And thank you for the sweetie them where you give it. God bless you.
So, and this is also for the cat. This is the cat color for
Thank
your cat.
you. Me
This way I put on the cat neck.
Yeah, that's cleaner the funny.
Yeah, that's not flea. Oh,
So thank
these are the
you,
covers,
Daddy.
the covers.
Everything me I get to my cat.
So now ramen.
What? No, you.
So also we have Jamaican
And my cat.
uncle
And I mean
and
feed
Trenchtown
the cat.
grandpa. So we also have a bucket of chicken here, 21 piece.
Yes.
21 pieces
I
of
want you to eat this
chicken.
up for the cat dog, you know.
No, it's not to eat that.
Eh?
That's to eat.
Oh. Thank you, Dad.
Alright. So mommy, this is 21 pieces of chicken from Trenchtown grandpa and Jamaican uncle and Ridley as well. The three musketeers. They call themselves
Come here.
Jamaican uncle.
Trenchtown grandpa
And Trenchtown grandpa.
and Ridley,
And Ridley, thank you.
which is the three musketeers.
Thank you so much, and may God bless you and never make your food basket go empty.
And this is 21 piece of chicken there. So no want to cook, right?
Yeah, we want that. Do not want a ginger beer. The ginger beer I burn out the chest. So burn you. Thank you, Daddy. Me I put this in the bag. Yeah. This is my cat talk I'm happy. Daddy, me I tell her again, thank you so much for my cat thing. Every week I see I bring things to my cat.
See the cat there right there, so.
No, it's a phone and chicken, yeah? Yeah. Yeah. So boom. You can come do the honors and deal with them one. You know?
Come dry it up, it's too big.
You know if you try it up.
Me try it up here.
Your mother will try it up. Supposed to have the place them in there, right?
Come, let go in. Let go in.
Oh, the plate that's not in there?
I got Mr. Paper pan in.
Let me see some of them. How much? Them there?
Aye.
Okay. How much are them? How much are them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I feel cry.
2, 4.
See that look a bit big.
6, 7.
I better take it off because I'm tighten me tighten it
Let me
you.
see how much are this.
I have to pet myself.
Okay.
Give me a crumb, mama tighten it.
Look. Look a bit.
Give a jar.
It can dry, man. It can dry
You can
some
try it
more.
fully read feeling it.
Alright, mister, alright.
Daddy, more and me sweetie them. I go give Jaisha them some to bring up for them
I
friends.
sweet if you share for everyone.
No, me I never hear me I say. I go give them for them one, and then I give my sister them and I have some of
And
mine.
little man must get sweet.
Look man, if you want to come, what do you say? Boom man. Wow, Kirisha, look here. Cookie. Who want cookie?
Almost cookie one night.
No.
Let me see your bracelet. Soko. For your hand already. Oh.
It's not.
Oh, it's big.
Almost one in there.
See your bracelet got drop out.
Oh my god. I never want to pull it.
Yeah, pass Kino. Kino, how much cookie in the box, huh?
Yeah.
That's so much. I look a bit this dog. How much is Kino? You can't take me down now.
There's single. I like it in there.
One whole day. This is the water that I like.
One whole day.
I cannot swim. I don't like when it's heavy. When it's too tall.
You like it like this?
Yes. This is my water. Yeah, man. Yes.
This is Jamaican uncle.
Now, my still from the river, no problem. I say it always. Huh? From the river, no problem. I say it always. You say it always there? Okay. Okay, that's good. Yeah, man.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
them have the KFC, them have got feast
Okay.
and everything.
Yeah. So make them one.
Yeah, so this is a phone one.
Yeah, man, that's already. Oh, take care. Oh, Rasta, yeah, take care.
Yeah.
Rasta, take care, man. You job that.
Rasta, take care. You don't put your foot in the water. You can't come so far. I don't put your feet in the water.
Put in the water, man.
Yeah,
nice.
have a cool off the foot first.
The river will cool it down, man.
The river will cool it down, man. I really water that.
Trenchtown, Grandpa. Wow, you know? He put on back his shoes already. Yeah, because you know why he's not been grounded. You have to ground it back with the universe, Grandpa.
How could you say I'm not being grounded? I never left.
No, with the universe. These things here stop us from being grounded. You know? Me used to feel the same thing, tender. Because you know where we used to do shoes and socks. You know? And when you see them pick me and everybody I run up and down barefoot and you're like, man, I remember I used to do that. Can't do it again.
When you have better circulation.
Yes, so you always stay grounded. You know? Look, you see? Yeah.
It's not normal, you know. It's not normal, you know. Yeah, but you can't use another yardstick to get everybody.
This is where you feel grounded now.
Yeah, man. You never come that way that time because when you're a baby, you couldn't walk. Yeah. No.
Alright, Keenan, man, bless you, man.
Yeah, man, you have to bless it, man.
I didn't know if there's something like this, man, but I can't remember here.
But I swear, uncle, I tell you. Yeah. When you come here, you have to test it. You even sit down close by the rock and make your foot skin in the water, you know? At least. When you come here, you have to test it. Woo! Man, test it out.
Yeah.
You say cool.
You know, yesterday we drive past this way, right?
Yeah.
We came across some buffalo.
Oh.
Yeah. And we stopped by Catherine Peak.
Okay.
And that's where they get the
spring water, yeah.
And that water was cold.
Yeah, man, it's cold, man.
When inside the cup was cold.
Yeah. Yeah, man, you have to feel it, man. Nice.
Wow.
Nature life. This is what nature life is.
Yeah.
Round there. Yeah, man, to the kitchen that we use.
Come back maybe after.
Yeah.
Come back to the other night, something again.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
So you check the number and can organize it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Trenchtown grandma will come back. You have music.
Natural, you know? Yeah. Just hold your balance when you step on the stones then, yeah? Yeah? Just hold your balance when you step on the stones then. Then you kind of slip with some of them.
Really? Are you that?
Whoa, you know?
Oh, yeah, man.
Yeah. KFC.
Yeah, man, we make a hot sauce, ketchup, and I say,
Yeah.
wow.
You know why? Into the KFC in Jamaica better.
The way them season it?
Fried salt, that's the only reason.
Oh.
And then them add ketchup, which is salt again.
Okay. So you salt turn. Oh. I hope I'm not sure what's on the father. Oh. And look, man.
Look, man. I just tell them, I'm not even trust them with look, man. So they're probably good.
Yeah. Nice, Nana.
I gave these a cake and cake when you kill it. You know, it's like big French piece of the cake.
When they eat it up.
Share.
They piece, Tara.
See my son of a share.
Tara, they piece, huh? Tara, don't call up my phone, Tara. Kenisha, don't make Tara call back my phone.
Alright.
Yeah.
What are you going
We are going to do them.
You can't use them if they want to get done. Don't get it back.
Alright guys, blessed love. So we give thanks to the love. Thank you, Sharon, from Queens. We thank you so much. It's our blessings. We also give a huge thanks to Trenchtown Grandpa. We thank him so much as well too. And also Jamaican uncle, and Ridley. So them call themselves the Three Musketeers. So we big them up, I would thank them so much, It's a vibe. It's really a vibe. Trust me, guys, we would thank them so much. It's a blessing.
The light low?
Yeah.
Good seeing you.
Good seeing me.
Yeah, man.
That's what I like it.
Alright, so
Nana. Them I walk with me.
Okay.
Them always I walk with
Every
him.
time we come in, we're going
Ensure, say.
safe journey.
Yeah.
Safe journey.
Yeah.
We're watching me now. See people so fuck.
Yes, guys.
I'm the one who's got that.
Alright. Alright, guys. So, yes, Cranberry shop to make sure so I get home safe. Guys, so heading out now, Trenchtown Grandpa. It's a pleasure having him here. And Jamaican uncle and Ridley. So them call themselves the Three Musketeers. So when you see one, you don't see you see them all. You don't see, you understand the three must appear. And them first time experience here at Mama River. You know, so ladies who come help grandpa.
Yeah man,
ladies who come help grandpa.
Trenchtown grandpa.
When they help Cranberry alone can help him, not Tisha. When they help grandpa. When they can't make grandpa fall. Grandpapa. And there's a fall in Jamaica named Grandpa Falls, you know. Come, Natisha, come.
Grandfather, you want me back?
Grandfather put on him shoes, you know. And Trim can't do that jump there, what should do? Grandpa cannot do that jump.
Yeah, man, Jamaica don't do this one.
So grandpa, you walk in the water then? You walk in the water with your shoes?
Yeah, that's it.
Alright then, so we can walk that way then.
Yes, you can expect some more.
Alright. Water shoes, it turn. Hold him now, hold him.
Come.
Watch uncle over there now. Watch uncle over there now.
You alright, you see it.
Watch uncle now.
You what's up in a pot? Yeah man,
no man, nah, can't jump. Listen now.
You come easier than we do.
Step on a good thing yourself, either.
Yeah, there's some little step.
Yeah. So the step that.
That's why I come next time. Slippers off for doing it.
Yeah.
Easier to come that way.
Yeah.
No. When we go over, we go over easy.
Yeah. Whenever I come to river, I always have water shoes, slippers. Yeah. And watch grandfather over there.
Grandfather here. Grandfather there, 1, 2.
And Natisha go watch the grandfather, you know.
Grandfather! They are wonderful. They are
old grandfather. Yeah.
If you go home safe, I go beat you. I go home safe. And a good father is me, I tell the Father God. And day come help me. If you come in one day, come another day. I love you. Normally I give trouble. Daddy, what do you want to get trouble for my birthday? Eh?
So, them used to that in my general. I feel them truck off spot that, you know.
Come on, baby.
They must run and truck off from this, you know. Yeah, man.
Let's go down the shirt.
Yeah, man.
We can jump over the zip pass.
You see all on the stone there, them run and jump off, man. I feel them spot them, man. Can you see you try the bag, you have to be higher. I don't regular spot, man, them run and jump off, man. You have to wonder if a bird.
Yeah, sir.
Never see them born up here, you know, my mermaid, you know. Eh?
They normally run out for the road.
Yeah.
When the pool build down there, so they normally run out for the road and jump over.
Yeah.
Jump down.
So it's alright, so up there, so you see? You see my walk? Let me just run off and jump in there, so where there's a pool.
Let
me see you jump off.
So come.
No man, Shabana closed already. Next time. Come Nana, next time. Next time.
Just come early next time.
Yeah.
Alright.
Next time we're gonna do it.
Next time we
Go on. All the younger baby can swim, you know. Yeah.
I'll be able to see you early.
Eh? One. Yeah.
And then Nana laugh and then something.
Eh? Hey, I'll up some them truck car from me now. Them look up in here now.
All over there, so that's
Yeah,
going
when the police are there, so. Run and truck car. You know, uncle? You just them truck car from here, them here now. Yeah, because it's set up a bag right there, so I'm pool line. Oh. Them can run and truck car from here, so man. Yeah, them where you see them look over there. Yeah. You must think of one bird.
You know, like black is in the cat, I'm alive, same way. I 40 years, you know, come to be a cat.
You want to be alright to go back?
Yeah, man.
Okay, then,
Grandpa, you want so when the dark and night, so them jump this river like it's still alive.
Come on, let's say that grandpa. Daddy.
Mm.
Oh, you don't think I jump up through you?
So them cat, man.
Kina. Yeah, man, I with this.
I with this.
Come from Mama River.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so we reach the car safe now.
No, we'll go back by there now, because I have to clear up my building now.
Okay, yeah, so we're heading down
go
there.
back there. You going there that way too?
Yeah, that's where we're heading. We're heading back there.
Yeah, we'll go back there.
We're heading back to Trenchtown.
Yeah.
So Trenchtown. Wait. They say them selling this. The place has sell.
Look how much money.
The money there.
And the money I have to call him and then tell you.
Alright, Ken.
Alright.
Later, yeah? You're on the card.
Tell him bye-bye.
Toko, high five.
Come.
Bye.
Thank you, man.
Kenisha.
Yeah. Thank you, man, for give us such a treatment over there.
Yeah.
Just a start.
Okay.
Making sure we're okay. We're coming back
Okay.
Yeah.
Running blade.
I'm going to smell like jackfruit.
I mean.
Are you?
Yeah.
You have jackfruit?
Yeah.
Lie.
It smells nice, eh? Smell nice, man.
Come from earlier, I smell the jackfruit, you know. It peg already? Oh, ripe.
Oh, you know, cut it. The jackfruit, I think, went nice up the place, man. Nice up the place. Yes. Yeah, man. That's something.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.